Alrighty, boys and girls, we are back. We are headed down to the lake for the first. Well, actually, no, we're gonna hold it there, but we got the new boat with us right now. I know you guys want a reveal of the truck and the boat, so I'm not gonna show the boat too much. We are gonna be fishing on it today, and the reason for that being is it is musky season, baby. So we are getting out for our first musky trip, hoping to put one in the boat. Yeah, I don't know, we haven't musky fished at all this year. This will be the first time. It feels good to be back in the boat. I got Mike on the camera as usual. I've had people on the camera a lot recently because all my like vlogging tripods and stuff like that, I broke them all. So right now we are headed to a reservoir to hopefully put a hurting on a couple skis today. I don't know, it's the first trip out, so I don't know. It's either gonna be really good or really bad. You never know what to expect. So expectations for today, one fish. If we could get one fish in the boat, successful day. So we're gonna try and do that, and other than that, I don't know, guys. I think we'll see you on the lake, so. Yeah. I don't know. All right, we're good. I think it's the intro. Got him, net. He's down, stay down, stay down. Nice, let's go, let's go. Alrighty guys, we are back here. So, I don't know, it's just good to be back. We're literally just getting right to it today. We want to get a musky in the boat, so you gotta get serious. You gotta work for it. The lake is washed up. I did not expect it to be this murky. We did get some rain last night, but like not enough to do as much as it did, or so I thought. So it's pretty darn windy too. That never helps, but on the bright side, we're out here. We're in the new boat. It's just good to be back in the water. Ain't that right, Mike? Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. Absolutely, positively. We'll see if the muskie's like chocolate milk, eh? Okay. Chocolate milk, eh? You can't see, dude. This wind really messed stuff up, man. Oh yeah, yeah, babalosa. Fish, fish, fish. Got him, net. He's down, stay down, stay down. Ready? Bring him right into the net. Get him, whoa! All right, keep the net down. Let's go, let's go! Give me some, baby. I like. Alrighty guys, so first muskie of the season. As I was talking about getting one, I got a follow, he ate it on the 8. Only like a 35, nothing crazy, but getting back in the water, that's what it's all about, baby, at sunset. Oh, I was gonna revive him, but it looks like he's good.
He's off.
Oh man.
Yeah, boy.
I had to scare the crap out of me. I'm pumped, dude. Woo! I'm probably gonna take some BRoll of you two here in a minute. That wind died. Fish. Oh, he's coming back for it. Come on, come back in on it, come back in on it. Did you see it? Yeah. That was a big one. Another one. That was a big one. No, I had a weed on it, spooked him. I'm gonna keep rolling on it though. Dude, I just had one come in again on it, but it stopped spinning. Oh, there, he's still on it. He's big, he's big. Big girl, big girl. Big girl. She's gone. There he is, there he is. There she is. Got it. Oh, she missed it. She's gone. That was a different fish, not the same fish. All right, guys, so that sums it up for the day. We finally got everything packed up. We got out there for the first day of musky fishing, the first time fishing on the new boat. We had several follows and got one musky in the boat. I'm super pumped about that. And I don't know, that's about it, guys. I'm excited to get out here, and like I said, getting this boat is gonna be a game changer. The boat reveal and the truck reveal and all that nonsense that you guys asked for is gonna be coming sometime this week. I'm gonna try and get that done here in the next few days, so hope you're ready for that. Otherwise, if you guys are new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, go over to Instagram, shoot me a follow. I have tons of exclusive stuff that you guys won't see on YouTube on that Instagram page, and updates and stuff like that, what I do around here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we will catch you guys next time.